Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your TikTok account without using Gmail or phone number. So we're going to open TikTok, and once we've done this, we want to click on that question mark in the upper right hand corner. This is where we go for help. So once you've done that, we are going to click on logging in, and we're going to click on TikTok username, and you're going to type in your username and select next. Once you've selected next, you'd be redirected to verify identity, and because we don't have access to our Gmail, we'd click on need help. Once you click on need help, you would tell them the problem that you're having. So for example, you could say I cannot log into my TikTok account, I don't have access to my Gmail or phone. And you could also say, can you help me, and put your contact information below. So you could use a Gmail that you do have access to or a phone number. So another method is to go to our web browser, and we can type in TikTok feedbacks, and we click on the first thing that pops up. So it's pretty much the same thing as before. You'd enter Gmail address, username, the topic, and put in the box of what you need assistance with. So we're going to select general account inquiry for the topic, and after which we'd select recovery as the option to tell us more, and after which you would place the same thing as before. I cannot log into my TikTok account, I don't have access to my phone and Gmail, etc. And once you're done with that, you would select submit. So if you guys found this tutorial useful, or you like this video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and if you're new, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.